I am Prince and I hope you are doing well in this pandemic situation. Today I am discussing with you all a tutorial based on Angular. So there are some points based on Angular. First point is introduction of Angular, then who found the Angular and structure of Angular, difference between Angular and AngularJS, and some features of Angular, and top 3 interview questions what interviewer asked during interview. So let's begin. So first question our in mind, what is Angular? Angular is an application design framework development platform for creating single page apps. A single page application works in browser, requires no page loads and extra time for waiting. For Angular, Angular is a single page application. I will show you the example of single page application and multi-page application. I already opened a one application which is a single page and other application which is a multi-page application. You can see on my screen here is a reload button. Whenever I click some link, it will load our content but it will not refresh our page. On other hand, if I opened a multi-page application, like whenever I click, every time it is reloading whole page. This is the simple or basic example of single page application and multi-page application. Now second question in our mind, who is the founder of Angular? The name of founder of Angular is Misko Havery, who works in Google. In 2009 he found AngularJS. The first version of Angular is AngularJS. Let's see chart of Angular versions. The first version of Angular is AngularJS. After that it will be Angular 2, Angular 4, Angular 5, and the latest version of Angular is Angular 12, which is launched in May 2021. And you can see on my chart why first version is AngularJS and after that is Angular 2, Angular 4. In the within few minutes I will tell you why it is. Let's move with the concepts. The sec After that, the structure of Angular. What is the structure of Angular and on which behalf the structure of Angular depends? There are like basic building blocks of Angular on which it will run, like basically it uses modules, components, decorators, services, dependency injections, data binding, directives. All these concepts I will tell you within upcoming videos. And after that, what is the difference between Angular JS and Angular? Now this is the interview question, like maximum time interviewer asks what is difference between Angular JS and Angular. Basically Angular use JavaScript, on other hand uh, Angular use TypeScript. So what is a TypeScript? TypeScript is a superset of JavaScript. It is similarly to the JavaScript, and AngularJS does not supports mobile browsers. So on other hand, Angular supports mobile browsers. AngularJS supports MVC architecture, and on the other hand it supports component and directives. Like in AngularJS we use ng directive, on other hand Angular we use like for event binding curly brackets and for property binding square brackets. So in AngularJS it does not support dependency injection. On other hand, TypeScript supports dependency injection. That is the main reason why TypeScript came into the picture. Like for the concept of inheritance, TypeScript came into the picture. I will tell you later about this. And after that, the what are the features of Angular? There are some features of Angulars like data binding, fastest loads, simple MVC pattern, cross-platform, simple and expressive. These are the some features of Angular. And the last one is top 3 interview questions for Angular. Like what interviewer asked during the interview. Like first question may be like, what is the Angular? I already told you what is Angular and difference between AngularJS and Angular. And third question is list some of the features of Angular. And more question they will ask like what is a TypeScript, and these kind of questions interviewer ask. In the next video I will tell you about how to install Angular, and what are the software needs we to install the Angular. So I hope you like my first video, and please like, subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe.